Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's videos are from our Cross Arm Chi Sao series. It's bridging using Cross Arm Chi Sao with a reverse Pak and Pak Sao and follow-up techniques. But before we do that, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos.
We're going to spend a couple minutes on each one of these. Cross arm, off the rear hand. We have done this all week. The clear, the side palm, right? You all should be comfortable with that. So Keith's just going to counter it with the Bong Sao, right? From here, he feels the energy, sidestep Bong Sao, clears lop, and double piece, two pieces, 1 and 2, all right? You guys, we worked on this all week. So I don't want to spend a lot of time because I want to build on these programs. So from here, it's going to be 1, 2. He's going to counter it, 1 and 2. You all okay with that? 4 minutes tops, minute left, minute right, and switch, okay? Going back and forth. So from cross arm, this time we're going to come off the lead arm, inside jut. Remember, so slow, you guys worked on this. You should be all giving each other some forward pressure, right? So when I release, his hand should be coming in. Everybody good? And if you're not fast enough, this is why your Wu Sao would pick that up. So from here, going to come inside, check, side palm, or punch. Maybe you guys want to stick with the punch, and all I want to do is turn it open. 1 and 2. All right? Coming inside, check, punch, the punch. So you can look at it from your Wu Sao. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rotate my upper body, turn and hit 1 and 2. All right? So your punch, turn it into a Wu, or just make it a jut. Either way. You're okay with that? 1, 2, punch, jut 1 and 2. I'm going to go back to the first one, but I just want to do it parallel now. So we're here in parallel hand Chi Sao. Same thing. I'm going to jut, shoot the side palm. He's going to Bong Sao, come in and 2-piece it. All right? So again, I'm going to jut. He feels that. That's your energy, right? That's your energy. Goes right into his Bong Sao, clears lop, and 2-pieces it. The only thing I would say, because if you deal with some of the taller guys, when after the Hye jut, make sure you take a release step, which will get you completely out of the way, because some of you guys got them arms, you can hit them from next week. All right? You all good with that? Same thing, just parallel. Go ahead, question? One more time. From here. This way we get it home. It's good to cut it. Big shot. Jut, good. Shoot it back up. He releases. Go ahead, lop. 1 and 2. No problems with any of those so far. This should all be review. All right, that's how we covered it. So the next sequence was just going pre-contact. He punches off at either hand. So you can start in the side neutral, you can start in the front. But the idea was to stay parallel. So if he throws the shot, throw your straight punch again, just taking the same thing pre-contact, right? He throws it off the backhand, no problem. Same thing, straight punch. He's just dealing with straight punch off at either hand. All right, so these are all pre-contact. Now, like we did in class this week, don't reset, right? Don't come back to the same spot. He throws his shot, do your Bong Sao, go ahead, step, Bong Sao, move around, step off, right? Just move around. He throws off at either hand, same thing. Take your shot, move 1, 2, and bounce off, right? Move around. Don't keep going back to the same spot, all right? And that'll cover everything we did this week, tying them together, and then I want to build on these. Everybody okay? You sure? All right, go. Yeah, one more piece back into the Chi Sao, right? So before we move on, I want to cover this piece, put another trap in, and then I want to take a whole nother version, and then I want to get random with this. So we had done from here to here, he released. When he comes in to do the Lop Sao, I gave you guys Pak Sao-Gan Sao or what? Or double Gan Sao, Pak Sao-Jut Sao. So I want to go back and play that just a little bit more, okay? Just again, get fluid with it. 1, 2, he comes in. So whether you do a double Gan or a Pak Gan, Pak Chun, back over the top. He puts up his Wu Sao, and then we're back to this technique. Okay? Nice and simple. This is what we had worked on. Let's get a little closer. Closer. Here we go. From here, 1, 2, Pak Gan, Pak Chun, counters with the Wu Sao again. From here, here's your trap, 1 and 2. Using that application of the Jut Sao from Silam Dao. Okay? Sure. So this is where we were. That's where we're now. The only thing I'm adding is after he Lop Saos, Pak Sao-Gan Sao, well, like I said, a double Gan Sao, Pak Chun, fire it back, pull it down, 1 and 2. All right? Good. All right. one we didn't cover that I want to add this in, taking it off the same thing. We'll do it for film's sake. I think it'll better parallel. All right, we can do a cross, doesn't change much, just so they get the angle at home. So we're in here. He throws the Bong Sao. Well, I'm using this now as a setup. I just want you to trap him across, take the shot. So remember, you're always what? One step out of the trap. So we're going to play with it nice and slow. I'm going to come here. I'm going to jut, strike. He goes. I'm going to trap down, full step back into Bong Sao, and then you guys should come back into Bong Sao, Lop Sao just for a couple repetitions. All right, nice and simple. Okay, so cross arm, it works the same way, right? I'm here, I'm here. I take the trap, he comes back. And again, I don't want to spend all day in Bong Sao, Lop Sao. 2, 3, and then reset. All right? You guys okay with that? Sure. Pretty please. So I'm taking him off, throwing that shot. He counters, and I'm going to take it right from here. Just take that Wu Sao and come right across and drive it through. Okay? You guys okay with that? Go nice and simple, nice and slow. The whole key then is to be able to go. He throws a straight punch, and you guys are back here. Throws a shot and get used to coming into it and then working your way back in. All right? The whole thing is getting from pre-contact, but go slow. Slow with your Chi Sao. Get your angles, get your technique, see what's working. Make sure you're cutting your angles on your Bong Sao. That's another key thing, just throw a straight punch. So when he's going for the Bong Sao, it's really important that he gives you the thinner, so at least he's got some stopping power. Some people get, their Wu Sao, there's your trap, right? It's really bad juju. So make sure you're meeting that Wu Sao with forward energy so you get an opportunity to what? To deal with that. Yes?
So does that mean you don't do a release step on the Bong Sao?
Yeah, you can take the release step. Doesn't matter, right? Even pre-contact. He throws it 1, 2. He takes the release step. I'm still looking to take him across to take that trap, right? I mean, you can continuously, just want to make sure, Brian, make sure we stay in the foam. You can continuously, I'm here, I'm here. He comes and throws that Bong Sao, you can start working your way around, right? You can always keep moving. This is a game of chess. So I'm just trying to get you to attack, defend, so you start to learn how to see where things go. All right? So this will be the last one out of this. Back to something that you're used to doing. So Cross Arm Chi Sao, we tend to go with the Pak Sao, right? All we're doing here is using a reverse Pak Sao. But again, it's just a different part of strategy, so you're not feeding somebody the same thing over and over again. Just want to tie this in. This will be a two-piece, and then we'll just make it random. So from here, from your cross arm, same thing. I want to bring this in, push it in, throw my strike, and I want to take this and turn it into a jut. Strike 1 and strike 2. Nice and simple. So I'm going to come here. 1, 2, and 3. And then I want to add one more option to this. So again, coming in here. Now when I do this, I want to rotate my upper body. So I'm using my waist and my hip. So you're using your Wu Sao like a jut. All right, so when I'm coming off of here, because I want to bring my body into this. So I get a little bit more torque into my waist and hips. So it's going to be from here, turning, turning. Okay? 1, turning and hit, right? Really simple, and hit. All right, then I'll add one more piece into it. You all okay with that? You all should be pretty comfortable with that. I mean, we've done that numerous times. So I want to add one piece into that, and then we'll make it a complete random Pak Sao series, okay? So from here, it's going to be the same thing. I'm going to come into my 1, right? Real simple. I want you to come in, hit, and then use this and come across. So I'm going to use this. That same reverse Pak you can work your way back into. Okay, so it's going to be here, here. So you can come back or hit here. Either one. This would get you back to where you were before, right? So if I do that, he'll take a back step and go back into his Bong Sao. All right? So again, from here, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Good?
You coming up with that?
Yep, side turn always comes up. Ideally, the side turn comes up because I want to expose this point. So just knock his head back. You guys okay with that? Sure. Sta qua. 1, 2, same position, right? 1, 2. Okay. All right, I just want you to go slow. So you shouldn't be doing the same thing over and over and over again. So what I'd like you to do is we're just going to do it from cross arm, not from parallel. So you have this one, you have this one, or you have that one. One person attack, one person defend. Make it simple. Do any one of the 3 you want. So the person defending start to learn to feel where it's coming, and you guys vary your attack. Making it simple. Just making it very, what are you doing, Bagua?
I was just stretching my elbow.
That's okay.
So yes.
All right, so you guys come in. So whether you're going to jump in here, whether you're going to move it here, or you're going to work your way here, either one, any one of them, just play with it a little bit. Go slow. Don't be in a rush. But you made contact, so throw a punch. He throws a punch, so whatever it is in here, whether I want to move this way, or he pushes me, I want to move this way. Any one. Just get used to playing with it. Have fun. Just let the hands move a little bit. All right, so we'll take this.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.